Abdul Amin is asking about the Istikhara prayer, which is something that many of you probably have heard of. You make the Istikhara prayer, or you do the Istikhara prayer whenever you want to make an important decision in your life, marriage, taking on a new job, any other thing that you want to do. And the gist of it is that you're asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to guide you to the best decision possible. And we know Allah is the one that has all the knowledge and all the power and knows everything. So you're asking Allah, oh Allah, guide me to that which is better of these two choices. And this is what the Istikhara is about. The way it's done is you pray 2 raka'at first, then you read the dua of Istikhara, which hopefully is appearing on screen. And this dua, it just is, you're saying, oh Allah, you have all the power, you have all the knowledge, guide me to that which is better. And if this matter is good for me, then help me attain it. And if it is bad for me, then keep me away from it. And inshallah ta'ala, once you make this dua and this Istikhara, Allah will guide you to that which is better.